Welcome back, or welcome back to me, honestly. It has been months. I just basically needed a mental break, but we are back. We are better than ever. Last video I recorded, as you guys saw, I was contemplating on copping a manual Supra. I'm still thinking about it. For those of you who don't know, my Supra is a lease. And the reason I did that is because I figured in about 3 years, there would probably be a chance that they would come out with a manual option. And I was right. So at the end of my lease, 3 years, I'm thinking if I should even consider getting the manual. The only problem that I'm having is availability right now and also tuning options. This car is tuned, so it's probably the best Supra you can get, bang for buck. So I have until August, so I'm gonna try to make as much content as possible with the car. If I decide to keep it, we got some big things coming for the Supra. So we are on our way right now to Elite Tuner. Whoa, why is my car downshifting?
Approaching a level crossing.
Oh, I had the opportunity to be in the show, shout out to Josh, but since I have to be at dinner because my girl planned a dinner for my birthday, love you babe, I'm gonna be a spectator, which isn't a bad thing. I miss my guys, man, I miss my super heads. So I also have no tires. My tires have been on this car for 1.5 years. It is time for some new tires. G80, looking clean. That's one of my favorite colors in the car, by the way. That color is mint. Hello, hello. How's it going?
Looking like...
I'm not going in the show.
Oh,
so
you're not?
I was supposed to, but I have dinner reservations for my birthday tonight, so I don't want to get stuck in there. So I gotta head back to New York. Yeah, can I park anywhere or?
Yeah, you can park anywhere.
Okay, thanks man.
All right.
She's looking dirty. I have this like weird tire, this weird wire hanging out over here. Not really sure what's going on, but I have to get this underglow out of here because it's kind of a pain. But my tires are no good. So they actually discontinued the Nitto NT05Rs, and now they're doing the NT555 R2s. These have lasted about 1.5 years. They've held up pretty well. I don't really abuse my car like that, so, but for 1.5 years for those radials to last that long, it's pretty impressive. But the car overall has been pretty much the same. Minty, it's just clean. Throwback to the Honda days. Look at this guy's fitment. Woo! Look at this guy out here, flexing on him.
It's good, bro. It's good, bro.
This shit is crazy, crazy on camera.
What's up?
You know, this color is vibrant as hell. What's up, dude?
Where's your car?
I gotta leave, so it's outside.
Oh, I got you, yeah. How do you like the color?
It's crazy. I was just telling him it looks crazy on camera.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you
How's
doing?
it going? Good, good, good,
Long,
good.
long time, though.
I know, it's been a minute.
Huh? Oh,
It's been a minute. Outside. Because I have to leave, it's my birthday weekend.
Ow.
This right here, guys, is my next car, I swear. R8 is my dream car, and honestly, after seeing this shit, it is so beautiful. For anybody who knows what color this is, drop in the comments below, because I definitely want this color. This is fire. Another classic. I don't even know what kind of turbo that is. Looks like a 67, 66. It's a Siemens build, I think. May's got the whole roll cage inside. Clean as hell, bro. We got a Supra, y'all. We got a Supra. Yo, this is the one with the taillights, right? My man got the, he's probably the only one with these taillights. What do you guys think about this? I want to see the lights on. Is he here? Yeah, this color is dope with the white wheels, though. That's the next car, Josh. My man went crazy. And then we got this guy over here, NJ Supra.
It's been a while, guys.
Yeah, it's been a while, motherfucker.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, actually, that actually doesn't look bad at all. I never saw him without the black part. My boy drive his car. What do you guys rate this? Nice car, bro.
Hey, man, what's up?
What's up, you good?
Yeah, nice to see you.
Damn, my guy went crazy over here. Ooh. Nah, hold up. This right here is a real car. You don't like these?
It was a 2JZ in there, yeah.
2JZ in this?
Yeah.
Bro, this is first Fast and Furious.
Yeah, with the 2JZ in it.
Good luck finding parts though for this car. What the? Oh. Holy turbo. Yo. Homeboy's not playing. He needs bigger tires. Just playing. This is fire. This is fire. Where's the Supra, man? Damn. NT. Sick. This car is a classic, bro. Fire. So we got all the BMWs over here with the Supras. All the real cars. All the real BMWs in the back. I want to be a part of the cool kids.
It's good. My name's Gerard G. Chilling in the cut.
Let them know.
Tukes.
F80 Gibby.
Yo, what's up? We out here. You know what it is, son.
Super
do
King.
what we do, gang, gang.
This guy said he was
Tukes is
Super King of
outside.
New York.
I am
Shut
inside.
up.
Remember that? Yeah, you already know Super King, because I took the crown from Tukes. Who's Tukes? We don't know no more.
Tukes never had
He's
the crown.
not here.
Tukes never had a crown in the first place. This is fire. Definitely the best Supra in the lineup, for sure.
Yeah, it is. It's the fire, no, and the orange one
Make
too.
sure you get that on camera. Is this the best Supra here?
This one and the orange one. I love that
Wait,
rap.
you have a Supra too?
Me? No. I have a WRX.
Oh, he didn't charge the
Oh, there you go.
Battery died.
This is fire. How much? Oh. How you turn? Hold up. How you?
University.
Yo,
You're
this is
university. So yeah, so how you see BMW logo for my Supra Toyota.
Okay.
Send your key out. It's $375, and they give you a touchscreen
Pretty much a BMW.
key. It's rechargeable.
How many clicks you get out of that?
I don't even know. I never. The last time I
You said
tried,
5?
Ronnie, only 5, but that's it.
5.
this charge is even just not charging.
Also comes with an extra key. Yeah.
No, like if you okay, for example,
This guy sells cars, guys, so don't go to him.
Come on down to Larry Love and get you a classic.
battery or your car key.
Yeah, right.
Went down for 6 months.
Don't buy a car.
You and your bra. You send your key in. It's a 3 weeks time.
Have you ever seen a tree fall down 2 times? So forget it.
What do you guys think? Who's got the best Supra in the lineup?
Orange one. So
Why the orange one?
rap pops.
He's got a different horn. I haven't heard a Supra with a different horn. Okay. It's cute. It's cute.
Yeah, the second one, the car has to be on, so it can be loud.
That sounds way better though.
Yeah, I know, with the clown. Yeah.
We're gonna check out the infamous The Wiz, New York, NYC. Whatever his Instagram is. He claims to be the best Supra in New York.
Stop it. Stop it.
Because he's on bags. He has a CF edition. This notorious Supra.
Better than this car.
So yes, Josh's car is way better than my car because he gets so much attention.
Yeah, but boy's on bags. He's got the BBCs.
No, BC forged wheels, TDO 1 edition. The
Nah, this is clean.
Back
Look.
riders, super lows. They're very tight riding, so it's very good.
Oh, you like it tight, huh?
I like it OD tight.
Pause.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, there we go. You can see his car was white before. Man, got the stars in here, which hopefully I'll be getting soon, right? Yeah?
If you guys
Yep,
see,
okay.
the controller case matches my seats.
I mean, you don't really need much, bro. I have a CF edition, but honestly, the wrap looks amazing. Couple of nicks as usual, but nothing where it's like super bad.
It's khaki green.
Oh, okay.
Because if someone takes it, I just change my wrap tomorrow.
We don't have money like that, guys. We don't have it like that. Oh, I didn't even hear the car yet, dude.
Huh?
I didn't even hear the car yet. Nah, it looks good though, dude. Seriously. Ooh.
Oh, Tukes, get away from my car.
He might win. Best Supra. Thomas is saying that this car is amazing.
I'm saying from the time it's been released to what this.
This? Turbo?
It's turbo, yeah. It's
Oh.
manual too.
Expensive. Yeah, this is cool. I feel like I've seen so many of these now. It's just like, only thing you can do is hope and cross your fingers that you get one.
Perspective. Now that's a personal judgment, but character goes a long way because your vehicle is a description and identity of who you are. So therefore,
And I have approximately an hour before I have to head back home. Because if I miss dinner, Joanna is gonna be pissed at me. If the girl's pissed off, you know how that is.
You f***ing asshole! You f***ing liar! You f***ing manipulator!
We gotta make sure we get home on time. Oh, he's got a, you have a downpipe? Oh, no, downpipe, dude. This titanium? Titanium?
Yeah. It's not titanium. It's just aluminum. No downpipe.
What year is
No
this?
tubes. 2022.
My man went from a Supra to a Tesla, he upgraded. Got the TEs. You gotta get some bags in here, bro. Don't run me over, bro. The car is always on. Yo, hands off, motherfucker. That car's gonna be in the shop every other day.
But you know what? I'll be
Literally.
happy with
It'll
that
look
car.
good doing it.
I'll be happy with that car.
It's such a car guy thing to
You know
say.
what- you know what-
It'll
you
look
know-
good doing it.
A new car, I don't want no issues with a brand new car.
They were probably saying the same thing when they got theirs. It's
Yeah,
so
but
sick.
now it's 20 years old. I prefer this.
Nah, this is my dream car when I was in high school.
I actually had it when I graduated high school. I had the 8.
You had this one?
8. Evo 8. I remember that.
Where is it now?
Uh,
The impound because he misses payments.
You've never seen a repossession like this.
This is the real squad out here, not the lanes inside.
how you
Yeah,
gonna hit
people,
outside the
motherfuckers.
club? You can't even get in.
Look at this line. What? Yo. Hold on.
got wristbands. Wristbands.
We're here, guys.
Again.
They're in the club. Yeah, Lee Tuner. Woo!
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. I'ma wake up, go dumb. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'ma put that on my. I'ma put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
We're sitting on his car. Yo, he's tight.
You don't do that at a car show at all.
All right, guys, so it's time to head out. It was a vibe. Man, I need to do everything. Peace. Damn, boy. That boy riding low. Okay, traction control on too. Seems like there's a lot of action to happen. Oh! We are at 50,000 miles on the Supra. A lot of people have been asking me why, why I haven't posted, where are the YouTube videos? And quite honestly, guys, like I said earlier, if you have a Supra, you kind of know how much hate you get with this car. I know it's a stupid reason and it's kind of like, dude, who cares? But when I first started posting videos and reels and content, I had no clue what I was getting myself into. And a lot of the followers and a lot of people who watch my content, I really didn't expect that. The main reason I ended up getting the car was to be able to work with other companies and do content for them in exchange for parts for my car. That idea kind of blew up. It basically exceeded my expectations. And when I hit 10,000 followers, which was my goal, I promised myself that I was gonna get my first sponsor at 10,000 followers. And I actually reached out to my first sponsor, Brahm, when I was at about 9,000 followers. Ouch. What is with these roads, yo? I pretty much kept posting content. I had a couple of viral reels and TikToks. This is about a year and a half ago now. And I didn't expect all of this pressure, I guess. But for some reason, I was just letting people and all the haters get to me. I just needed time for myself. I didn't really feel like I should have been giving content to you guys or putting out content for you guys that wasn't really so genuine. Sometimes if you need time to yourself, guys, just take it. Don't let other people encourage you to do certain things or influence you to do anything, you know, just be yourself. Uh-oh, there's a cop over here. Love going in tunnels. We hit traffic. So on that note, I'm seriously out. Peace.